Welcome back to the channel. Today, I am going to teach you how to save custom shapes in Adobe Photoshop, so you can reuse your favorite logos, icons, and vector designs at any time. Learning this workflow will save you hours of redundant design work because you will no longer have to recreate the same assets for every new project. If this tutorial helps you master your design workflow, please take a second to hit that like button and subscribe for more professional tips. Let's dive right into the software. First, you need to create your design or select an existing shape layer. Once you are satisfied with the graphic you want to save, ensure the layer is selected in your Layers panel. With the layer active, head up to the top menu bar, click on Edit, and look for the option that says Define Custom Shape. A dialog box will appear asking you to name your new shape. Give it a descriptive name so that you can find it easily later among your other assets. Once you have typed in the name, click OK. Congratulations! Your custom shape is now officially saved into your Photoshop Custom Shape tool library. Now that you have saved it, you probably want to know how to access it for your next project. It is actually very straightforward. Select the Custom Shape tool from your toolbar, or simply press the U key on your keyboard. With the tool active, look at the top options bar. You will see a drop-down menu called the Shape Picker. Click on that, and you will see your entire library. Simply scroll down until you find the name you just assigned to your custom shape. After you select it, just click and drag on your canvas to draw it out whenever you need it. This is a massive time saver for repetitive branding work. If you found this video helpful and want to see more Photoshop tricks, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss a future update. Thanks for watching and happy creating!